back to my channel. In this video we are going to start P6 or class 6 math series, where we will discuss all the concepts of P6 and different levels of problems. So here I am starting with algebra. You all knew that my videos are time based, so I believe that time is very important. I don't want to waste my time or yours. I'll try to share more knowledge in less time. Here I don't want to waste your time by writing notes, so I will prepare all my notes before itself, okay, and I will give more examples actually where you need. I don't give any unnecessary examples when the concepts are transparent. I will concentrate only those areas where you need more effort. That makes my videos are short and crispy. Yes, of course, I don't want to give more channel intro also. So whenever you are starting your journey with me, you will understand what I am saying. Okay, let's start the class. So today we are discussing about the algebra. So, and I would like to always associate your old and new concepts together, because I believe association is a very basic building block when you are learning something. Okay, so here we are, our topic algebra. Before we start algebra, we have to know what we have done till now. So in lower classes you have done arithmetic. Okay, so what do you mean by arithmetic? How it is different from now your new topic algebra? So arithmetic is nothing but it's a consist of study of numbers and properties and operations. So the operations in arithmetic: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here we are studying numbers and their properties and operations. But whereas in algebra it is same definition, but you have one extra thing which is called variables. So we'll see the definition. Consists of study of numbers, variables and operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so the only difference between arithmetic and algebra is we are introducing one new thing, that is called variables. Okay, so it is same like arithmetic, but the only difference is you are including the variables. So now we will see what do you mean by variable. Let's start the topic arithmetic and algebra. So here I want to relate this algebra with your previous topics which you have learnt in earlier classes, that is arithmetic. Okay, so arithmetic and algebra both are same, but only one new thing is introduced in algebra. Okay, first we'll see what is the definition for the arithmetic. Arithmetic is nothing but it consists of study of numbers and operations, properties. Start the class algebra. So before I start algebra, I want to relate this topic to our previous topics which we have learned in your earlier classes, that is arithmetic. What do you mean by arithmetic? How it is related to algebra? What's the difference between arithmetic and algebra? Okay, let's see basic definition. So arithmetic consists of study of numbers and properties, and we are performing some operation between these numbers. So that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So what do you mean by arithmetic? We have some numbers, we are performing some operations on these numbers. Okay, and whereas algebra consists of study of numbers, variables and operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we have here, we have included one new thing which is called variables. Okay, so other than variables both are same. Okay, we have one new term which is called variables. Okay, so first see what do you mean by algebraic expression and arithmetic expression. So in arithmetic expression you will have only numbers which are constant throughout your simplification or evaluation. When you are evaluating any expression, the values are constant, they won't change, and whatever the final result you are getting, that is also constant. Okay, but whereas in algebraic expression, so the values may change. Okay, it depends upon each and every instance. So before that, I want to say the basic definition first. Algebraic expression. So it is a collection of terms connected by the sign addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. So same, but only one thing is included, that is variable. So let's see what do you mean by variable. It is a letter that is used to represent some unknown numbers or quantity. So these variables, how you will represent? So in the form of small letters and capital letters. Okay. So what is the meaning of this statement? So it's an unknown number. In arithmetic we don't have any value which is unknown, but whereas in algebra we have some values which are unknown. Okay, we won't know before, but when you substitute some value to that variable, you will get different results in different instances. Means it value keep on changes. Okay, so for example, if we take one real time example, that we have 2 apples in each bag. If there are n bags, okay, so here n is a variable, its value is changing depending upon the instance. If we take that like n as 2 bags, then 2 times 2, 4 apples will be there. If we consider n as 3 bags, then here 2 times 3, so which is equal to 6 apples will be there. So here n is a variable which is changing its value. When it changes its value, automatically the result what we are getting, that is also changing. So it is called variable. So you always remember that facts are very important for any subject. Okay, so if you won't do any blunder mistakes. Okay, so even if you practice a lot of problems, if you don't know facts properly, then there may be a chance that you will do mistakes. Okay, that's why in my videos I will concentrate more on facts. Okay, so rather than practicing. So yeah, of course practicing also matters. It will increase your speed like anything. Okay, practice increase your speed, but whereas facts improves when your question got twisted also, you are able to crack that question if you know facts very well. Okay, that's why I'll concentrate more on facts. So next, let's see what do you mean by algebraic expression and algebraic equation. So algebraic expression, what's the difference between these two? Okay, so again in our algebra we have two things, one is expression and one is equation. So algebraic expression is nothing but it doesn't have any equal sign. We won't have any equal sign in algebraic expression. Whereas algebraic equation, so it is a mathematical statement that says two expressions equal to each other. Okay, so that's the difference. Here in algebraic expression we don't have equal sign, whereas in algebraic equation we have equal sign. We will have two expressions which are equal. So here are few mathematical statements and their algebraic expression. So the first statement, sum of a and phi, or add phi to a, phi more than a. So for the three statements the expression is same, which is a plus phi. Okay, so next one related to subtraction. Subtract 10 from D or 10 less than D. So, or difference between D and 10. So for these three statements also the algebraic expression is same, D minus 10. Okay, so next one is product of H and 3. Multiply H by 3 or 3 times of H. For these three statements also the algebraic expression is same, which is 3H. And for the division, x divided by 2 or half of x. So for that the respective algebraic expression is x over 2 or half of x. By using these notations, we'll try to solve few problems in the next class. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is just number. Happy learning.